Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Just we'll wait a little bit for presentation. Oops. Let me introduce our project called Bot Factory, where we actually make bots, trading bots. I'll tell a little bit about bots and AI in trading and algorithmic asset management. To start with, I should say that bots are trading more and more every year, and now they have 60 to 95% of the volumes depending on exchange. There are some still persons that trade manually, but usually they just lose their money. We as a software company started to make bots back in 2015. Our first clients wanted to trade on normal stock exchanges. And then we slowly moved into crypto space, and now almost all our clients order bots for crypto exchanges. These are the bots that we have made for our clients already. Arbitrage bots, high-frequency bots where you need to be the first to make a trade, where every millisecond matters. Bots made on indicators. There are a lot of technical indicators that can be used to trigger a trade. This year we started to make new kind of bots that the bot doesn't trade only one trading pair, but it searches the whole market, all the trading pairs that are traded on the exchanges. And this bot looks for a very seldom market event, but it looks on every trading pair, like for example pump detectors, where the bot looks for extremely unusual price movement, and it just enters this asset that is being pumped right now. We even made bots that used news for triggering a trade. We developed our own platform to develop bots, and we have connections to all major exchanges now, like Binance, Coinbase, Huobi, all stock exchanges. And the next step, maybe there will be connectors to decentralized exchanges. And this year, I think we'll make this, and I don't think that anybody in the world can offer this solution right now, because it will help to make like arbitrage trading between centralized and decentralized exchanges, and maybe centralized, decentralized, and stock exchanges simultaneously. Our platform consists of several parts: a data loader to load historical data, the tester, where you can test the strategies, optimizers that helps you to find best settings for the bots, and of course live trading section. There are two services that we offer. We can develop bots for clients' needs, for traders, and we can run our own bots at client's account. We tested really thousands of different strategies, and we sorted out the best ones. And here are some results of our set of bots that we run now. It's like 19 bots running all together simultaneously, and it's made almost 4,000% in 5 years. And the most important thing that we didn't see big drawdowns, like for example Bitcoin holders. the maximum drawdown was 18%. This event is called Future Innovation Summit, and we have prepared something for the future investors. We strongly believe that Bitcoin will have a good future if it's long term. And we offer now, actually the main idea of buying any altcoin today is just to try to outperform Bitcoin. And for those people who believe in Bitcoins and have some holdings in Bitcoin, we develop bots based on Bitcoin pairs. For example, a man has Bitcoin on his account, and we just let bot trade Bitcoin to Ethereum, Bitcoin to Cardano, or Bitcoin to BNB. We don't touch USD or USDT. And I think that this bot will outperform all the USD bots if we see it in the long term. Actually, that's it for today. We don't offer you to buy any coin or anything like this. We just would like to ask you to try our service, try our asset management, and we are open to any kind of partnership with individuals, with trading funds or private offices. We have our stand upstairs. You can come today, or not today, tomorrow, or if you have any questions, I'm here. Thank you for your attention.